spinner, looking to knock off all of those, or knock off white. Nevermore and knock off white. You are in the box next. In the blue square, the horizontal spinning kitty cat. Are you ready? He is ready. In the red square, the rusty cultivator wedge. Are you ready? That was a yes. Robot drivers, you have 3 minutes. Fight, robots, fight! Cultivator immediately on top of kitty cat, not giving a chance to spin up at all. Uh-oh. Kitty cat not moving at all. Just maybe if you kick it, just kick it a little bit. Kitty cat, we need some movement. Maybe try turning off the radio and turning it back on. Cultivator is stuck. Do we want to count them out or unstick them, Ed? Kitty cat, are you dead? Ed, unstick him. Osborne, unstick. Okay. If kitty cat does not move, we will begin the count out. Start the clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, he's moving them, so 10, 9. 10. All right, kitty cat is dead. We're going to count them out regardless. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your winner by knockout is Cultivator.